Good afternoon, everyone. Chris Landolfi, meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Columbia, giving you an update on the weather that we can expect for next week and the rest of this weekend. So the weather map as of 1 p.m., we have a low pressure system off to our west, along with a cold front. That low is going to move through the area tonight, leading to additional rain. Wind gusts are going to increase associated with the cold front tomorrow, with gusts around 30 miles per hour possible. So we do have a lake wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Sunday for those stronger wind gusts. Now, this cold front is going to bring a much colder air mass into the area. Now, these are the minimum temperatures that we expect through the rest of the week. And you can see as far as air temperatures, expecting a lot of teens and into the 20s. But when we factor in the wind chill, could have some wind chill forecasts into the low teens, maybe even some single digits. And these minimum forecasts are for the morning of that day. So Monday morning, Tuesday morning, and so on. And this is going to be observed for the highs during the day as well. We're going to have temperatures struggling to get greater than 35 degrees during the afternoons, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday, when the probability of max temperatures less than 35 is the highest. Now, we do expect low pressure to move into the area Tuesday and into Wednesday, and with that cold air mass in place, that does support the potential for some snow across the area. So while we are not getting into specific amounts just yet, we do continue to see increasing potential for minor impacts across the area. Now we're looking at the potential to 70 to 80 to even portions of the area 80 to 90% for minor impacts, and moderate impacts is also increased to between 50 to 60% for a good portion of the area. And again, you can see what these minor and moderate impacts are indicated on this little graph here in the middle of the screen. So with the timing, again, we're not trying to get too specific, but we do want to give you all an idea of the timing of this. That colder air moves in Monday, and we do get that significant cold air through Tuesday, Monday night, through Wednesday night, and even into the day on Thursday. The best potential for any snow, accumulating snow across the area at this point, does look like during the day on Tuesday, potentially later in the day on Tuesday and into Tuesday night. And then with such cold air in place, we do also have the potential for a refreeze or some black ice Wednesday night and into the early day on Thursday. So again, we're not getting into too many specifics. We're still several days out from this storm. So we are in that area on the left-hand side here on this graphic where we want to start our planning. So make sure we're having our emergency supplies, checking our smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and replenishing fuel for your car and heating sources if necessary. But the biggest thing is to make sure that you continue to be updated on the forecast, trust sources that you know are going to give you good information and not sensationalizing, and make sure that you continue to turn back to the forecast as we move into the coming days where we'll have more details. Thanks, everyone. Have a good evening.